Introduction. Rashi's uncle is unwell. Rashi's father takes him to a nearby hospital. The doctor prescribes some medicines. Rashi's father buys them at the chemist's shop near their house. In this lesson, you will learn about neighborhood. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to list the benefits of post office and market, explain the uses of bank and hospital, discuss the benefits of fire station and police station, list the benefits of bus stations, railway station, and airport, post office. Look at this building. This is a post office. People buy stamps and post their letters here. They drop their letters in the post box. Postmen collect these letters and distribute them. Market. This is a market. It has many different shops like the grocery store, bakery, garment shop, chemist shop, furniture mart, shoe store, and many more. People buy their requirements like rice, wheat, cakes, biscuits, dresses, medicines, tables, chairs, shoes, etc. here. Bank. This is a bank. People deposit their money in a bank for safety. Whenever they need it, they can withdraw it from ATM centers. Hospital. Look at this building. This is a hospital. People go to a hospital when they are ill and need treatment. Such ill people are known as patients. Doctors treat patients in a hospital. Nurses and attendants help them recover. Self-assessment. It is time to check what you have learnt. Match the correct word with its respective picture by drag and drop on it. Fire station. Look at this building. This is a fire station. It has some red-colored vans parked outside. They are fire engines. People in a fire station put out fires with the help of fire engines. They are called firefighters. They rescue people trapped in fires. The team of firefighters is called a fire brigade. Police station. This is a police station. People who work in a police station are called policemen. They maintain law and order. They catch thieves and control crimes. They punish rule breakers. Bus station, railway station, airport. Look at these three buildings. The first is a bus station. The second is a railway station. The third is an airport. People travel from one place to another by bus, train, and airplanes. We take buses to go to nearby places. We go to far-off places by trains and airplanes. We catch a bus at the bus station. We take a train at the railway station. We board an airplane at the airport. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. People receive and send letters through post office. People buy things they need at the market. Doctors treat patients at hospitals. People deposit their money in banks for safety. People travel from one place to another by bus, train, and airplanes. Fire brigade rescues people trapped in fires. Believe